All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. The folks over at Ringke always come up with some great cases. Now, I've been actually rocking the regular Onyx here for a little bit of time, and I wanted to go ahead and show you the rest of these cases now that I had a moment to do so. So sit back, relax, get comfortable, and check out the content. So first case, obviously, the Onyx here is their most popular case of all. I mean, it goes on and off easy. It is very grippy. It's mag safe, magnetic ring on here. It's a good case. This is a fairly simple one to use, and it's very affordable. It creates a nice solid feel on the phone once you put it on there. Like you may think it's a flimsy case or whatever, but it's actually tons of grip once you actually have this case on your product. So, excuse me, your case, not product. Again, got the MagSafe or magnetic part on the back there where you can actually put it to all your car mounts and everything else. It's a good thing. It's an amazing thing. So let's pop this one off here. Now this one I haven't had too much hands-on time with. This is one of their newer cases right here, man. This is the UX, and this one is actually pretty cool, man. It's got a kickstand. It's got the very strong magnets that they have for these cases, and this one is clear. So depending on what you're looking for, this is one of their rugged style cases. I definitely suggest that you go in on this side first, and then come around this side like this, because for some reason this side is a little bit more strong on that side. But you've got your kickstand. You can pop it up like this, and it looks like it's a metal kickstand. Yeah, it's a metal kickstand. And again, very strong magnet. This thing is just, and these magnets are for people who are going to be using a case like this. You need to have it to hold it, and you got smaller hands, or you're just a person who likes to use a pop socket style thing on there. So, but I do have battery cases and everything for this MagSafe style anyway. So this has a very deeply recessed camera module there. It is really nice. I think you'll really enjoy that. Your cameras are all protected. Grip on the power button, but not the volume rocker, and has a little indentation on a raised part that'll let you know that that's up, and the down is actually smooth. All ports and everything are going to be cut out just perfectly fine. You got your spot for your S Pen, which comes out really nice. Remember, on the S26 Ultra, the S Pen is curved, so remember to put it in only in the same direction. But it looks like they've kind of compensated for that too. We get a little curve on it going out that way, so they're following the flow of the phone, which is pretty cool. This is something different here. You got the spot here on the bottom there with the microphone cut out, and just make sure all of them have that same cutout on there if you decide to pick up any case. So I'm going to pop this off. I'm going to take it off the way I put it on. I always worry about the S Pen popping off and things like that when I do that. But I'm sorry, that's for a lanyard, or the SIM tray hole is right there too, but you won't need that. That's for a lanyard. My apologies. And this one, the Alice, they're probably mad at me for pronouncing that wrong. But again, same thing. This one has a kickstand built in, and it is a two-piece, as you can see. I don't think you really have a reason to take this off. But you know, it's a possibility you might want to. So this one's a little bit more universal and versatile. And I like the little part that turns, and then you can see it turns in the inside there. But you know, this one is like a mild heavy duty drop case. These cases look way more sturdy, or they look bulkier than what they are. They're really very sturdy. And then, you know, they're still kind of ultra thin. This one, surprisingly, is like a mix between these two right here. There's grip all along this edge. This is like Rinky Onyx grip along here, and it's all along the top. It's everywhere. The texture, that is. So just bear that in mind. And this one actually feels really strong now that I have it on. I didn't know how I would feel about this one, but you can put this kickstand any way you want. If you want to get it straighter towards you, or you want to go like this, you can do it like that. But you know, you can have it for a lean way back like that. You can have this kickstand however you want. It just depends on what you're doing. If you're watching TV or video chatting or whatever. Again, camera recessed on this one, not as deep as is on this second lens right here, but definitely like the separation of the camera modules. That is what makes this one extraordinarily appealing to me. Very nice branding on here. Man, I really like this one. I've been rocking the Onyx because I'm just so used to the Onyx. But yeah, man. Now this case right here is another version of the Onyx. And it has like a different, I'll grab the Onyx back. It has like a different pattern to it here. It's got like a little rounded, more fall in the hand type design, way more grip. And man, I gotta tell you, this is like an upgraded, newer version of the Onyx, and it is very nice. And I was skeptical about this one, but I really, really like it. So let's put it on here. And again, you see you got that magnetic connection in there. Again, wow, I think I'm gonna use this one. While I really like the cutouts on this one, I'm gonna use all of these cases. Let me just stop playing with you. I'm gonna be rotating between these. This one feels so good, but nothing really beats the Onyx feel. Like if you know, you know. If you just know, you know how the Onyx feels. And this one's just a little bit more bulky version of the Onyx. Even though it's not bulky, you've just got way more grip. Look at all this grip everywhere. This one, the Onyx is regularly known for having a little small raised port there to let you know as you're scrolling up on the volume. But this has grip on every button, every turn. This has grip. It has a bigger camera module cover to protect the lens. It's a little bit more deeper recessed on here. And it's got a different design. And I'm going to give this new Onyx A a try. This is pretty much just what it's called, an Onyx A. You can see it inside the case. But I gotta say, man, this is a beautiful case. This thing is really strong, really nice, and I really like it a lot, man. I like that there's grip all over this entire case, and that's gonna be really nice. So there you have it, man. Like all their cases are kind of like involved with each other. Like these cases, something about them, and just kind of like they're telling a story. I think this is really cool. It's like they're telling a story with all their cases, and they're all intertwined and all linked together in some way or another. Like one just gets even better than the other one. It's incredible. And I really can appreciate what they're doing here with this UX and this one right here as well. But this Onyx one, the Onyx lineup, I think is the Onyx versions of Ringke. I think they're just, like probably their top sellers, and people love them because of the protection you get and the grip. I mean, I'm actually going to wear this, folks. I'm going to leave this on here. This is actually pretty fire, man. I really like that. So I'll be rotating between these when I'm going somewhere where I know it's going to be like, I will wear these on like a rainy day or a day where I'm going to be somewhere up in the stands or something, or I might be somewhere with a rugged area. These aren't really rugged cases per se, but how strong they are, they can handle it. So shout out to Rinky for producing some of the best cases ever. They just continue to blow me away with their case lineup, and I really appreciate them supporting the channel. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, I will see you in the next video, and the link to purchase these are in the description. Take care.